Well, got a little bit of a problem here. We got one problem, we got two problems, we got a third one. Can't really transport in here like that. No. Alright, here's the idea. We got tape, sweatpants, pant leg. We got a cast. It's looking pretty good. Got a little something there. We got it down there, and then this is holding it together pretty good there. So we're gonna put this bad boy over. Boom, just like that. Now this thing having to get really hot. I'm still got a little fracture down here. So, what do you do with baked potatoes? I don't know why. We wrap it in tinfoil. Don't worry, there's more to come. Alright. Tinfoil. Baked potatoes. Can't forget about the bottom. This is the real leaky part. The other part is that it's very malleable. So I'm hoping I can cover any holes here. Yeah, let me have next. Now, next layer, t-shirt. All the way around like that. Now, I don't want to make it too heavy, even though we got reinforced tape there. The old masking tape. So if I make it too heavy, I think it's going to hurt the integrity of the structure. Alright. She's really leaking at the bottom. This one needs help. It is what it is, though. We gotta do the bottom. There's that critical area. Getting the most damage. There we go. Alright. Alright. Not 2 towels, but just 1. I'm dumping out these things. Alright. Let's throw some tape on. Because why not? Looking pretty good now, huh? Throw 1 towel over it so there's not too much weight on it. Use the remainder of the tape. Now, is this a fire hazard? I got no idea. I think everything, you know, is a little too safe. So, I'm taking that built-in margin of error. But yeah, this will be fine. At least temporarily, you know. I'm going to use the rest of that tape. Just tape this bad boy up. Now we got a chimney. Gotta get a lot on the base. Alright, double helix like tower up. Ta-da. Air. Don't mind it's messy in there, it's been working. Air will go through here. And it'll push this way. and hopefully onto that fan, which is when it hit me. And then this damn blanket, because I couldn't get it dry at Dave's, is gonna lock it all in. Yeah.